Hi, good day. I'm Joseph Toslao, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I'll show you the 5 standard cut of Aldrich chicken. But before I proceed, I'll show you how to sharpen my knife using my owning steel 45 degree. Now let's proceed to cutting. These are the different parts of Aldrich chicken: the backbone, drumstick, the breast, chicken wings, and the thigh. That's all. Thank you.